Hello YouTube, this is a review on the G17 Spring powered. Cheap, got in MIA about a week ago. And sorry about the wobbly camera and all, I don't have a stand for it yet. Now this pistol was €15 and what it came with was a mag, one mag, sample bag BBs, which is just cheap little crap things, and then the manual. And it says it has a hop-up system on it, but I don't know where it is because it says nothing in the manual. And then I will start with the mag. The mag holds 12 BBs. 12 BBs altogether. Pretty good, and then you just hold back this and put in your speed loader. And all speed loaders fit on this, which is always good. And it fits into the pistol. Good and tight, no really wobble. Little sound off it. Now for the internals. This gun. Now it is fully plastic. I think it's got some metal stuff inside. Spring powered, so each time you want to shoot, you gotta. Oh, it's really hard to hold the camera while doing this, but you gotta pull it back like that. The safety is located right there. Gotta use your 2 fingers to shoot it up. Down means you can't fire. Can't pull the trigger. Up means you can. Easy to pull back. The iron sights aren't like the original. They are a bit the same. Really nice, savage little iron sights. And it does have the safety trigger, so you have to pull the first trigger, pull back second, like I'm. See? Pretty easy to pull back. BBs go in there. Uses 0.20 gram BBs to 0.25 BBs, and it's spring powered. Has approximately about 208 FPS. Pretty good for just the first secondary pistol, but yeah, I like it, and it's not blowback or anything. 6mm barrel. And I think it's full plastic. Say so, it's only 15 quid like. And that's about it. Thanks for watching. Bye.